Hello, it's Dr. Stephanie Mines here, sharing with you the Tara approach for the resolution of shock and trauma and regenerative health for a climate changing world. I want to mention that I am compelled at this moment by the importance of elderhood, by the value of the crone voice, the elder voice in men and women, coming forward with the leadership that our youth are longing for. Within the Tara approach, we have dynamic physiological applications that support that articulation that is ready to emerge. I want to draw your attention to the face, the lower quadrant of the face in particular, where the channels of the earth element move. In other words, the voice of Mother Earth comes through you when we open the face. Opening the face simultaneously opens the voice. These channels are indoctrinated frequently by early experience that caused us to retract the expressiveness and the fluidity of our expression by simply placing fingertips, any fingertips, right at the cheekbone, in the center of the cheekbone, and then sliding down a little into the valley below the cheekbone, and just dropping in. Feel that contact between the tips of your fingers and this territory, and then sweep. Drag your fingers in a sweeping motion down across your face, and then do that 3 times. Notice how the tissue responds. Take your time. I'm doing this with some alacrity in order to show you. You can take your time with this stroking. You can do it more than 3 times. The idea is to open the trigeminal nerve, to open all the cranial nerves that restrict the face if they are impinged. So this simple gesture releases that impingement, even if it's been there for some time. This is the flavor of the gifts of the Tara approach. You can experience them yourself in person in November. You can read my book, the latest release, The Secret of Resilience. And you can also contact me directly. Awaken your own regenerative health. Be a voice for our living earth. Thank you.